There is grave urgency. I have to sell out the stock.
2:30.
2:30, my lord.
Why?
Forest department, my lord, yesterday they came with JCB.
2:30.
And they removed my all my.
2:30. Wait. ಕೊಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾ ವೈ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ 2:30 ವೇಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೆಮೊ
There are 6 matters, my lord. All 6 are settled, my lord.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Yes, yes, ma'am.
when do you want
Tomorrow.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Lordship, auction sale you are on tomorrow.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ
Madam.
My lords, proceedings.
ರೈಟ್
Possession tomorrow, my lord. Marriage is scheduled. 2:30.
2:30 yes we'll post it next week give it ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ 2:30 2:30 4 cases ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹಾಕ
Possession.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದಾರಲ್ವ ಇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತಾ ಅವರು
Possession ಇದೆ. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು.
ಏನದು
Marriage ಇದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ 2:30
2:30.
ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ದೇನೆ ಹಾ 2:30 ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ 2:30 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್ 2:30
16.
ಹಾ 1 minute ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we'll take it on third we can third or fourth we'll take it give it Monday on 13th 30th tomorrow ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರೋಲ್ ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಸ್ give it tomorrow the for it Friday tomorrow is Friday right Friday yes interim stay to second give it
ಇದು ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ನಾಳೆನೇ.
yes ಕೊಡಿ
ಇದೇನಾ? ಇದೇನಂದ್ರು?
can't help give it madam you will see list on you should ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದು give it yes 482 ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ move the other court yes give it no tomorrow give it yes wait ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಇರಿ wait yes ನಾಳೆ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಯಾವ ವಿಚ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯಾವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ 482 ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ 2:30 ಟುಮಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ನೋ ಡೇಟ್ ಎಸ್
KB madam disconnected temporary. Tomorrow.
Withdrawal of the restitution, my lord.
Withdrawal 2:30 why withdrawal 2:30 ಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ you don't be there at all ಕೊಡಿ
ನಾಳೆಗೆ.
Please tomorrow.
ಆಯ್ತು tomorrow
Tender matter, my lord. After issue of notice.
pending matter right
5 months since the matter was posted.
give it auction is on list on first Tuesday yes
My lord, the proceeding against the third party, my properties have been attached. First week of April.
we'll see give it yes
My lord, this This 482, the reason is in crime stage, the petition is dismissed
Tomorrow.
by this
Yes,
honorable.
Tomorrow,
My lord, this is fresh case.
Monday or Tuesday, give it.
No, any date after 15th of next.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಮೆಮೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಅದು ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್.
Decrease of account.
1 minute, sir. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Defreeze, give it, sir.
Matter month 230 million.
Wait, ಯಾಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ wait.
Fresh matter, there is a threat of auction today.
230. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 230 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಕೊಡಿ. ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, give it, yes. ಏನು? ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ, ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಸ್.
Milord, there are two cases,
One ನಿಮಿಷ.
Karga matters, Milord.
Yes. Give it, yes. No, 230 ಇಲ್ಲ.
Pending.
230 ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬೋತ್ ಗಿವ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೆಮೋ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಲ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್, ಎಸ್. Auction is on first tomorrow.
Lords, fresh matter, my lords, by Karnataka State Administrative Tribunal against the order of
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು?
I am the case set over the petition against order of Information Commission where we are not given option to, my lords, defend our case, and 1/4 compliance report file ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Tomorrow.
Lords, 1/4 it is on, my lords, that is why.
Tomorrow is what date, sir? 28th, I guess.
That's
Good, yes.
Oblige.
ನಾಳೆ. Fresh matters ಕೊಡಿ. Give the fresh matters.
Two,
1 minute.
the two petitions, my lords, emergency parole for 2:30 in the afternoon, my lords.
ನಾಳೆ. 2:30 close, ನಾಳೆ, yes.
Please. Here, two petitions, my lords.
KV acquisition entry matters are already in place.
Tomorrow.
5 matters, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ connected matters.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್.
It's a fresh matter. I'm challenging the police notice. They have issued two police notices.
Tomorrow.
One.
Tomorrow.
First notice ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೆ I'll.
Tomorrow ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು?
ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾವತ್ತು? ಆಯ್ತು, 2:30 ಕೊಡಿ.
There are two matters for Karga, my lord. One matter is listed, another matter is not listed.
ಅದು ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ.
Please.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದೇನು ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತೆ. ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
My lord, spending, my lord, so in the DRT matter, not there is a conditional stay, any week, my lord, next week.
ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್? ಮೆಮೋನಾ? ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬರಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್.
The date may be fixed, my lord.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Third or
ಎಸ್
fourth.
ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್.
Bill number 1, withdrawal. Bill number 2.
ನಿಮ್ದೇನು? ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟಾ? ಕೊಡಿ, ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ತಾನೆ, ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಏನು ಪೆರೋಲಾ? ಪೆರೋಲ್ ಟುಮಾರೋಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್? 2:30ಗೆ 21 ಆಗೋಯ್ತಾ? ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು. ಎಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೆಮೋ ಸಾಕು ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Bill number 2.
For the petition in this case, not the fifth respondent is appointed as.
ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಹೂ ಇಸ್, ಏನಿದು SOB? R5 ಯಾರು?
Objections has been filed, not. There appears some objections. Have served the copy.
Office objections, square the statement of objections filed by R5 be complied with in the next 1 week. In the event of non-compliance, the objections would not be taken on record. List the matter in preliminary hearing on 2 weeks return date. Next.
23rd.
Please.
Bill number 3.
Bank is supposed to file their objections, your lordship.
My lord, I seek
Okay.
little bit more time for filing the objections, my lords.
2 weeks time they have given, your lordship. KB connections ಎಲ್ಲ 31st ತಿಂಗಳು ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈವನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ.
ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
The objections filed next, bank shall not transmit any other notice nor do statutory dues, ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, but
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, my
but
lord.
KB has
We'll
given the
file that
notice.
objections in another 2
KB
weeks.
has,
KB is not a party here. If it's a party, you tell me. ಇಲ್ಲ party ಮಾಡಿ. Yes. Counsel for the respondent, Srimati Chitra Nirmala seeks 2 weeks time.
3 weeks time, my lord.
3 weeks time
Year
to
end
file
was-
statement of objections. List the matter on 22nd April.
Much obliged.
Objections, if any, by then interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of the next.
4,
Corresponding.
Office objections.
That's I filed an IA for vacating of interim order. My lords.
ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು?
My lords,
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
this application ಇದೆ.
ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Officer,
ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
the question of is vacating this stay which she is asking doesn't arise at this stage because the matter is already covered by the Supreme Court.
Which is that, sir? Tell me, sir.
Supreme Court judge.
Which is that?
MSME.
What is, sir?
I'm giving.
Yes.
I mentioned.
You want to file your objections? You filed.
No, my lords. The only question is this, my lords. The outstanding loan is 17 crore.
Hmm.
My lords, the ME unit was closed in June 2023.
Hmm.
Whereas the loan was availed in October 22, my lords.
Hmm.
His contention is that before we initiate the recovery under SARFAESI Act,
Hmm.
the method, my lords, contemplated by the RBI guidelines should be followed.
Hmm.
My lords, that is the
for
corrective
resolution.
measures.
Hmm.
Corrective measures what
No,
we
have you seen this judgment, madam? Pronits.
Yes.
He says it's covered completely by this.
My lords, I have not read it completely,
Ah,
but
then
what
see.
they say is this, my lords.
Judgment.
My lords, if
Copy
it,
of the judgment.
my lords, if at all the MSME unit is subsisting, only then this corrective measures become mandatory
Said
for
in
me
the
to follow.
notifications.
Wait.
But here, my lords, the MSME unit is closed. I have produced a letter
Hmm.
at Annexure R1, my lords, page 6 of my objection statement.
Let's see, we'll post it tomorrow in preliminary hearing. Let's tomorrow in preliminary, I'll go through this.
Please.
Yes. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
5,
But this matter has to come before Honorable Justice Hemanthandan Gowda. There was a modification IA ittu.
the date given matter, it was supposed to be posted before.
Allah.
Post ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, post
Registry to post the matter before His Lordship Justice Hemant Chandan Gowda.
Today.
As what is sought is modification of the order. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಬೇಕಾ?
Date given matter, ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಡೇಟ್, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಇವತ್ತು
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ನಾಳೆ
First or second? First or
ನಾಳೆ
second?
ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಾಳೆ.
Tomorrow.
Interim order
Registry interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
My lords, he had asked them to produce the account statements, my lords. From 2019, they have produced. So tomorrow it may be.
Second ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾಳೆ
We are
court will also be 482 court ಬೇರೆ 3 ದಿನ ರಜೆ ಇದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
First or second?
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಿ ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್
Right,
ಕೇಳಿ.
right.
Let's tomorrow there. Yes.
Interim.
Interim order.
6,
For the petitioners, my lord, the petitioners are Paura Karmikas. There's an order at page 107, my lord.
For early hearing, non-compliance of office objections, IA for direction, what are all these?
My lord would see there's an order, violation of an order dated 16/12/2024. If they don't file an affidavit, the deputy commissioner is directed to be present. If I may just make one submission, my lord, they are supposed to.
Which, 1 minute, sir.
if
Which,
they-
what
my
date?
lord would see
Order,
the
order date ಯಾವ್ದು madam, deputy commissioner?
12/2024.
Huh.
Thereafter, on 3 occasions, the court has directed them to file an affidavit, and they have not filed the affidavit. My lord would see page 107 of the petition.
Where is the order, deputy commissioner present ಅಂತ?
That's 16/12/2024.
16/12?
12/2024.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, so the.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No, the.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ?
Drawing my lord's attention.
No, ಆಮೇಲೆ there are 5 orders
My
passed.
lord. No, I just.
Did the coordinate bench say anything about the presence.
Present order, may I just make one submission?
That order is pent itself, it is superseded by
There
these
are-
orders.
What has happened is that
Now you come on merits, don't forget about the deputy commissioner.
the managing director of the Safai Karmachari
Hmm.
Development Corporation, the order is the letter is at page 107.
Hmm.
There's a communication made.
You have
saying that-
appeared throughout after that?
No.
After 1612, you have not appeared, is it?
My lord, actually, the arguing counsel is not in town today, but the reason the
That
issue is
is-
important.
That
so
is,
therefore the
that
letter
is why,
requested to be
before making a statement, we should look into the orders that
My
are
lord, I
passed.
have-
Then,
I have the orders.
yes, tell me.
I was just drawing my apologies, my lord. The court feels I misguided the court, my apologies.
No, no, don't worry, you can't do that at all.
My lord.
Yes.
So 18/7/2024 at page 107, my
Hmm.
lord, there's a letter where the Karnataka State Safai Karmachari Development Corporation has identified some land
Hmm.
and has said that it can make housing amenities available in this land for the, for
We
Parole
will do
Karmikas
that.
working
Wait,
with BBMP.
yes.
Land that they had requested the survey number, it's a private land, it's not a government. What had happened is, well, that land, the name of the.
Dignified housing, 19 guntas of government land in survey number 181 of Madhepura Hobli. Survey number 181 is private land?
Private land, that was Pada
Where?
land.
Elli there?
Pada land also.
Hmm.
So that some proceedings are pending. Looking at the petitioner's record,
Yes.
he came before the court and he said that there are several land that are reserved for these purposes under the Rajiv Gandhi House Building Corporation.
Hmm.
In the details of those projects that are pending in Bangalore East Tower,
Hmm.
the affidavit ready. The Lordship may kindly give me 2 days time and find the details of all the land that are available. Then
May I
the Lordship can observe that and we can accommodate them there.
Yes, Shruti, tell me.
Sorry, my lord. On 2012/2024, this very same submission was made before the coordinate bench. The court passed an order on this submission. Thereafter,
you-
there are two orders
that's all
that have
right.
been passed.
No, you want to continue the axe to grind against them, or you want the relief?
The relief.
Wait, yes. I'll take it on first, or I'll take it on second. If the affidavit and all the details are not here,
Yes.
I will direct that land itself to be given.
Second.
Yes. List on second in the fresh matters list.
Grateful.
Yes. At the request of the learned AGA, who undertakes that the affidavit of the deputy commissioner would be filed in terms of the,
Tahsildar, because he's.
this court had directed deputy commissioner, the deputy commissioner would be filed as directed by this court on 16/12/2024. Yes.
For the petitioner, I apologize, I will not comply with the objections. I request for 1 week time, we'll comply with the objections.
What objections?
My lord,
The
Indian
petition.
Oil Corporation is a necessary party, my lord, which is not made a party here.
IOB is not a party?
Indian Oil
IOC,
Corporation,
sorry, yes. Hmm.
they are not necessary party minutes.
My lord,
Office
there are-
subject, a week's time is granted to come, interim order, yeah?
Interim order, sir.
An
16,
interim order?
that we are permitted to operate the account insofar as the day-to-day expenses. It's a partnership dispute,
All right, yes.
1 week's time.
Counsel for the petitioner seeks a week's time. Lists the matter after 2 weeks. Office
order.
objections to be complied with in the meantime, failing which the interim order that is subsisting would get automatically vacated. Yes, next.
Interim order may.
Subject to the aforesaid condition, interim order stands extended. Next.
Great.
I beg to appear for third respondent, my lord.
Hmm.
I have made this application for vacating the interim order. This writ petition is directed, my lord, against the order of the district forum, my lord, consumer forum, by a non-party to the litigation. And also, my lord,
By a non-party to?
district forum.
By a non-party to district forum, he has come here.
Yes.
Absolutely correct. Amala.
That is one aspect.
Hmm.
And against the marking of the documents before the arbitration, my lord. Both
Yes.
are misconceived.
My lord, I have already filed a review petition, my lord, to review the order in CMP. The facts are like this, my lord. My lord,
No,
there is-
facts ಅಲ್ಲಿ non-compliance of office objections.
My lord,
Vacating
ಅದು-
stay ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. Yes, ಹೇಳಿ.
my lord, that your Lakshmi overruled that, my lord. My
Of-
lord, there is no arbitration agreement. According to my learned friend's claim, my lord, 1986, there was an arbitration agreement with my husband. After his death, my lord,
with husband and wife problem, ah?
Allah, husband's brother, my lord, my brother-in-law. My lord, after his death, he was with us, my lord, for a month in the estate. My lord, all of a sudden, my lord, he issues a legal notice. Then, my lord, surreptitiously, he approaches the consumer petition against the State Bank. State Bank says that, my lord, they have no document with respect to any account or any partnership. Then, my lord, he produces Xerox copies before the Consumer Commission, obtains a certified copies of that. That is used, my lord, in the arbitration.
Office objection overruled. Hearing the petition on the application seeking vacation of the interim order and the main would be the same. post in B group on 22nd April.
My lord, may I make one submission? Your lordship may
Interim
kindly
order
turn
may
to,
kindly be continued.
for a moment, your lordship may kindly see, my lord, what is the interim
You are
order
the
granted-
brother, huh?
Huh?
You are the brother.
ಹೌದು.
All partners, sir. Partners. My lord, your lordship may kindly see, my lord, the interim order granted by this court. Arbitration proceedings are stalled, my lord, because of this.
Where is the arbitration agreement?
My lord,
Where is the arbitration agreement?
my lord, it is not the subject matter here.
Where is the arbitration agreement for the arbitration to continue? Tell me, simple question. Where is it? It may not be the subject matter of this.
Yes.
It relates to this. So where is it?
In the CMP, my lord,
Where is the arbitration? Simple question, sir. Yes or no?
that, my lord, I am not having for the
Get
present.
it, sir. Yes.
Interim order may kindly.
Your lordship may kindly see, my lord,
Get it, sir. Where is the arbitration agreement? Who is arbitrating the dispute?
one Vishweshwar Bhatt, my lord. retired district.
How did he don the robe of an arbitrator?
My lord, this court has appointed one earlier different district judge, Sarvodaya Shettiga. My lord, he recused. Thereafter, my lord, this court has appointed him, my lord.
Yes, without the arbitration agreement, appointment is made by
My
this
lord,
court.
that they have produced,
Wait,
that they have produced, there is no dispute
I have
about it.
filed a review, my lord.
Annexure E, my
CMP
lord.
order.
Annexure
Tempico,
E,
when is the review coming up?
My lord, next week it may come, my lord.
List on
annexure
20.
E ತಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ.
The learned counsel appearing for the respondent Sudhakar Pai submits that the arbitration proceedings are stalled by virtue of the interim order passed by this court.
Yes.
The learned counsel would further submit that one Vishweshwar Bhatt is appointed as an arbitrator in place of the earlier arbitrator who was appointed by this court in CMP so and so.
56 of 2023.
56 of 2023.
That is
The
produced
learned-
by.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners preferred a review before the CMP court in 56 of 2023, which is slated to be listed anytime next week. List the matter on this matter on 22nd in B group. In the event the CMP court would not review and pass the order, the interim order would be considered to be vacated.
Yes.
My lord, interim order may kindly.
Interim order subject to the aforesaid will continue. Yes.
May I make one submission, my lord? On 22nd, your lordship may have it, my lord, fresh
Alla
matters,
preliminary hearing alla.
fresh matters list.
Preliminary hearing. Ella one.
From November, my lord, they have been stalling the
Right,
proceedings.
yes.
And they are not parties to the district consumer forum.
Correct. They are not parties to the district consumer, but it affects them. Correct?
Allah, district forum has, my lord, it is against, in my complaint against the State Bank of India.
Maybe, sir.
District forum has.
It touches upon his rights. or
Allah,
not.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, certified copy, attested copies.
Correct.
only
It touches upon something of his.
Those documents are sought to be produced before the arbitration. That's all.
So it is all intertwined. So wait, yes.
And under section 5, my lord, there is a bar, my lord, for entertaining a writ petition against the marking of a document before the arbitrator. Section 5.
226.
226 is a bar. There is a Supreme Court judge. I have produced all.
26 al bar.
Bar ಇದೆ. Unless, my lord, the act itself, the provision of the act itself is invoked.
Yes, we'll see.
Yes, my lord, I have produced all those citations in the vacating.
22nd preliminary hearing.
Preliminary, please.
Next matter also is the same, my lord.
Same, huh?
Same.
Same. 8 and 9 both on the same day.
Interim order in that also may kindly.
Same.
Lords, I appear for petitioner, my lords, I may be permitted to appear through VC, my lords. Lords, I'll physically come, my lords, in the afternoon, morning, I have some personal.
Yes. Manu, pass over matter.
Please.
Seven.
Lord, office objection in terms of, Lord, annexure J may kindly be overruled.
Vacating stay.
Lord, I
ಏನು?
file objection to that application.
The recommendations of the deputy commissioner under section 43(6) of the Hindu Religious Charitable Act, Endowments Act is stayed. But so,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ appeal ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ appeal ಇಲ್ಲ. But no actions have been taken in terms of notification. Kindly look at section 43(6).
Want to file objection to that application.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
Which application?
To the vacating.
When was it given to you?
20.
Recommendation ಮೇಲೆ
Finally,
stay
a week's time is granted to file statement of objections, comma, if any, to the application seeking vacation of the interim order. Office objections overruled. List the matter on 16th under the caption hearing on interlocutory
Only
application.
one submission. Today the proceedings are there.
Stay ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. They have started another alternative proceedings.
No, no. What I am submitting
Is that the subject matter?
Bypass the stay order.
Is that the subject matter here?
It is not, my lord.
Then
But
yes.
that has been this order has been recalled.
bypass
That is why
ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ start ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದೇನೇನೋ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅದು ಈ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನ ಸ್ಟೇ,
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ.
that is the what the subject matter of 43(6). In the objection I have stated
Lord,
my vacating stay.
According to
Today,
the
Vacating
petitioners,
stay, your last may kindly have a look at
Lord, just brief,
Record.
Lord. According to the petitioners, it is a Jain temple.
one nimsha.
1 minute. What is challenge here?
Lord, it's a recommendation, annexure A.
13/11/2024.
Yes, yes.
All right.
Yes,
This has been recalled.
yes. Now subsequently.
Where is the recall?
of annexure,
Where is the recall
my
of that?
Interim vacating stay ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Annexure R3, page number 9. Now once again page 13. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಶನ್, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡದೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Now we have issued a notice and they are dealing with it.
Lord, there
Let
is
him
no,
participate.
You were
That's all.
heard.
I'm
You
not
were heard in 31/2025 order ಮುಂಚೆ you were heard.
No. Now they have given a notice, recalled. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ನ
ನೀವೇ
ಕಾಪಿ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು.
Annexure R4 and R5.
in fact,
You will
Lord,
seek instructions.
Lord, there was direction from the commissioner.
List the matter on second in fresh matters list, please.
Good.
Next.
Spelling objection. 16.
Weekend Almagri. What, sir? Yes. Next.
Interim order may kindly extend.
Entry model stand extend. Next.
12.
Who's R3?
Blood law.
On-
R3, my lord, we are deletion. We are filing a memo for deletion. Lord, this
The
is a
petition
case
only.
where by virtue of an order passed by this court, 13 lakhs has been deposited by the tenant.
Yes,
I
madam.
want the money back.
Manager is filing an affidavit, only 3 lakhs is paid, that too in cash, your lordship.
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs is paid as per the.
In 10 lakhs.
For-
Where is the evidence for depositing 13 lakhs?
My lord, I have produced all the receipts, my lord.
Where receipts, account statement ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ sir. Where is the account statement of depositing 13 lakhs?
My lord, I have produced all the receipts.
Account statements. Account statement of deposit of 13 lakhs.
13 lakhs. my lord.
Yes, you said 13 lakhs ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ account statement.
My lord, the order of interim order passed by this court, 6 lakhs rupees.
Yeah,
In
the
these proceeding, 3 lakhs rupees.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ 13 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನಾವು ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದು ಮೆಮೊನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೊಡಿ.
Where is the account statement, madam?
I have produced in my matter.
How much is deposited?
Filing. Lordship, here is a case where the amount is paid by cash by the borrower.
ಇದು
Claiming
ಇದು ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು.
the tenant.
Where is the account statement?
Not along with that, the receipts, my lord, bank receipts for having deposited.
So that should reflect in an account statement. Where is the account statement?
Lordship.
ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ madam. ಈ ಕಡೆ this side, this.
Paying for, it is statement of paying 4 lakhs. Again, it is paid in the account of the borrower. He is a GPA holder. So the question is, has the borrower paid it or has the tenant paid it? The court has asked the tenant, the borrower to pay and not the tenant to pay. He has
Where is ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ account statement ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Deposits was as per the orders of this court.
Of this court, in this case, 4 lakhs is paid
ಆಮೇಲೆ
by cash.
by cash, by
He is a GPA holder of the borrower, so he has paid by cash. Might be the GPA, the borrower only has paid it, your lordship.
why this confusion? borrower ಕೆಲ ಕೊಡ್ಸಿ.
No, my lord. There
He
is an
can go to the-
interim order where the present petitioner is one of the petitioner in earlier proceeding. This court directed 6 lakhs to be paid. I complied the interim order. In these proceedings, my lord, 3 lakhs rupees, 9 plus 2 plus 2, 4. 13 lakhs rupees I have been paid.
plus 2.
2 lakhs, my lord, cash. And by virtue of an interim order, I have deposited. If they don't want to, my lord, settle with this matter, I want my money back is my respectful submission.
ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Lordship, it is not paid by him. If it's paid by him, if he proves that it is paid by the borrower in his the court never
No,
told the
borrower's
tenant to
account,
pay.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, borrower's account ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, your lordship.
ಮತ್ತೆ cash
By
ಕಟ್ಟಿ-
cash it is come.
Then give it
But he is
back.
a GPA holder of the thing. Then
Who
tomorrow
has paid by cash, madam?
Your lordship,
Who
he
has
is a
paid by
GPA holder of the borrower has paid by cash.
That is petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
Give it back to him.
Your lordship, how, there'll be a multiplication of cases, your lordship.
Why did you accept it?
I have not asked him to pay, nor the court has told the tenant to pay. The court has always been telling the borrower to pay. and he has paid. The borrower, GPA holder has paid. Tomorrow, if I have to file another case to the borrower to pay the money, he will say that he has paid it, your lordship.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯಾರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Lordship, as per the direction of the court,
What
to the
direction of
borrower,
the court?
the borrower, the court has
page
always told the
18,
borrower to
Nitin
pay,
Shetty is
not
the
the tenant to
petitioner.
pay.
Nitin Shetty is the petitioner.
Ah.
Page 19 is the interim order of the writ petition.
Page 18.
Yes, madam. Nitin Shetty is the petitioner.
All right, who is
There
Nitin Shetty now?
This tenant, madam, the second petition.
Court will never ask the tenant to pay
Then
the
page
rent,
19.
deposit the amount.
1 minute, madam.
Yes, your lordship.
Page 19.
Madam, stay of confirmation of action in respect of so and so till the next date of it, subject to the petitioner depositing the respondent back a sum of rupees so and so. Then, my lord, the action was lapsed, therefore, this has remained. Then the writ petition was dismissed because.
You paid into the account of the borrower.
Pardon, my lord?
You paid into the account of the borrower.
Yes, my
Why
lord.
did you pay?
This is the writ petition.
So why did you pay?
Not the stay of confirmation.
Stay of
subject
confirm,
to-
you, borrower should have come before the court. You are a tenant. You should have simply said not to evict me till the proceedings are on.
No,
Why did you,
possession
why
was-
did you offer to pay the amount of 6 lakhs?
My lord, my argument till today, my lord, the tenant has got an interest in an immovable property. He has got a right. There is a.
That may be, sir, that's a different thing. Now 6 lakhs you have paid into the account of the borrower. How will they give it back to you?
Present petition, 3 lakhs rupees.
Present petition is the borrower's, is it? Who is the
Both-
present
both-
petitioner?
Both the petitioners.
Both are tenants.
No, no. First petitioner is the owner, borrower. Second petitioner is the tenant.
They will return it to the borrower. Second petitioner, if a direction is to be given to them.
Blood earlier 6 lakhs.
Earlier, why did you pay?
Because of an interim order. I
Why
am the
did you
only
approach the court? You being a tenant, you approached the court and took an order of 6 lakhs pay deposit. Why did you deposit?
That is by virtue of act as current M&M. That is the position.
Now you have paid it into the account of the
Now,
borrower, sir.
the property-
You have paid
no,
to
no.
the account of the borrower.
Property is sold for 20 lakhs. 13 lakhs has been paid. I am prepared to pay another 10 lakhs if they could.
Now who is the auction purchaser? Confirmation agilva?
Confirmation matter pending ಇದೆ, your lordship.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Then if he is paying, give it back.
If he's paying the 20 lakhs, what the.
That he is
auction
saying he will
purchase-
pay.
No, 10 lakhs. 13
lakhs.
13 is already paid.
Your lordship, no, your lordship, that is not at all paid, your lordship. He's misleading the fact, court, your
Madam,
lordship. The borrower has
1
paid.
minute. 6 lakhs in an earlier petition, it is paid.
That has been dismissed, your lordship. The minute they.
Yeah,
renew
well,
it,
then
it is-
money will vanish, is it, if it is dismissed?
Account of the borrower, the minute.
So
the-
what?
the-
If the petition is dismissed, money is going to vanish?
Your lordship, but it's-
Don't tell me all
due
this.
to that, the loan
That-
amount has come down, your lordship. Due to that, the loan-
You tell me that. That doesn't mean that is paid by him. It won't, petition is dismissed, money goes off, nothing. Now 6 lakhs is there with you pursuant to that order. Now pursuant to petition, this petition's order, how many lakhs are there?
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. 9 ಆಯ್ತು.
Then 2 plus 2.
Which is the 2 plus 2, sir?
21 in the
Blood,
year
this
2020.
are court
2
direct-
plus 2 ಯಾವಾಗ,
No, no,
sir?
my lord, the cash has been deposited. Say,
When-
this
when?
No, no, this honorable court directed when the matter was listed.
Hear
Why
the
can't
matter
make
on
some
merit and
payment?
decide, your
No, no.
I have advised him deposit and come.
This will never be over today if this is the case. Which is that 2 plus 2? When did you deposit? Where is the evidence of deposit?
No, my lord, I have produced
Which memo, sir? I am not, receipt ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನೇ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
In the year 2020.
Why did you deposit 2 plus 2?
Blood, that is based on
The
my
rental of the building must be, your lordship.
not rental.
That is something.
Now this is impossible to be deciphered.
Your lordship, may
Yes,
hear the matter.
list the matter on 4th. Both the parties to produce respective account statements for having deposited the amount and the bank on receipt of deposit. Yes. Next.
Your lordship, the interim order.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the. ವೆಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಇನ್ನ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
My lord, R3 may be deleted. I filed a memo.
Learned Senior Counsel files a memo seeking deletion of the third respondent from the array of parties. Memo is taken on record, deleted at the risk of the petitioner. Next.
13.
Lordship, appearing for the respondent number.
Non-rectification of office objection raised in IA. Who's, ಏನ early hearing?
Hearing ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
You dismissed as not pressed early hearing. So I'll give a date on early hearing, post it in June 2025.
May I make a submission?
Yes,
my
sir.
lords? This matter may not take more than a minute for my
No,
lords.
that doesn't mean that I'll take it in this stage.
The
But there is
matter
some
may
method
take-
to be followed, not that. Ella ille kutukoltam.
One second. The appeal before the KAT is posted for judgment on 4th.
ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ interim order of KAT is under challenge. I question the maintainability of the appeal before the KAT. KAT held that the appeal is maintainable.
Who is respondent ilwala? ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Appearing for respondent number 1, my lordship.
Yes, we'll take it on 16th. Let not the KAT pronounce its order.
Yes.
My lordship, one small submission, my lordship. The cost title itself is wrong, my lordship. There is no such cost title. Kindly see the order, my lordship. The cost title itself is wrong. And one more submission, my lordship.
What cost title, sir?
Cost title.
Lakshmi Rao Education Society. ಯಾವ್ದದು?
Yes, my lordship.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Where is the registration?
I have produced.
My lordship, kindly come to page number 19. That is the order, my lordship, passed by the KAT, my lordship.
Be my lords. That is the bylaw of the society and registration certificate.
What is the order passed? What is the order passed by the KAT?
KAT has passed an order. Appeal under section 10 is maintainable. Under section 10 of the Societies Registration Act, the society has to produce the resolution for seeking amendment of the bylaws.
We'll list it on second.
Yes.
List on second in office objections. So and so stands over. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he would not press the application seeking early hearing. Early hearing is thus disposed as not pressed. List the matter and preliminary hearing on second. The tribunal shall hold its hands till the second and not pronounce its judgment. Yes.
My lordship, one small submission, my lordship. The said application, the said writ petition is filed without any limitation application, my lordship, because it has been filed after a delay of 5 months, my lordship. And one more thing, the cost title itself is wrong. There is
consider it. What is the cost title problem is saying?
Problem is
kindly see page number 19, my lordship. One small submission. Kindly see page
You
number.
appear online. You appear offline. Yes. Appear
My
on
lordship,
second.
due to health issues, I have a fracture, my lordship. I am not able
All
to
right.
appear
Then fine.
before
Then
the order.
second.
So that
Yes,
is why I am appearing through online, my lordship.
Second. Yes. Second and preliminary hearing. Next.
Much obliged.
Post immediately after. Yen madam idu?
My lord, sir, this is pertaining to where the petitioners are laid down high tension
The
one.
petition, post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. Interim order. Yeah?
Interim order is
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
15, my lords, I'll come in the afternoon, my lords. Seek for passover.
Passover.
I'll file my rejoinder, my lords, may then.
Passover. Madhyana Marana.
Senior
We'll grant you time, Madhyana. Yes. Let him come. Next.
Grateful.
There's a vacating interim order, sir. Should be ready in that. Yes. Non-compliance of office objections.
Interim order has been complied. So for office objects is concerned.
Interim order has been complied.
No, my lord.
What
Last time they
complied?
submitted that they have paid 4,50,000. This is the bank statement, my lord.
1 minute. 4,50,000.
Yes, my lord. Only 4 lakh has been deposited, my
In a
lord.
50,000 yavaga. Before the end of the day.
My lord, last
List
time
the,
falsely
1
they
minute,
submitted.
list the matter tomorrow in the fresh matters list. In the event the interim order is not complied with its entirety, by the end of today, the interim order would get vacated tomorrow. Yes. 50,000 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್, yes.
17.
I appeal for petitioner in this case, my lord, please. Lord, petitioner wants to vacate the premises.
No copy has been
Petitioner is a
served on
tenant.
me.
Post immediately after service of notice upon
Kindly
the
have it on
respondent.
Monday, my lord.
1 minute, sir. Petitioner to serve set of papers upon.
Lordship has passed the order to serve the copy on me.
My lord, sir, I'll serve the copy, my lord, please.
Petitioner to serve set of
In
papers
fact, I have
upon.
served the copy on the bank. Anyhow, I'll serve one more.
Petitioner to serve set of papers
Let my
upon
lords-
Sri KV Lokesh. Yes, next.
My lords, let the notice against second respondent be dispensed with, please. I am not seeking any relief against the landlord.
Memo. Yes.
Please,
Next.
if the lordship may kindly have it on my, Tuesday, my lords, I'll be grateful, please.
No, Wednesday, yes.
Please.
Second, list on second and preliminary hearing. Next.
Please, great.
18.
On compliance of office objections. Office objections.
I'll comply.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Interim order ಇದೆ madam.
Oh, to that caste certificate, 2004.
I'll file my statement of objection 1 week, madam.
Yes, Council Gautam Dev Ullal seeks 2 weeks time to file statement of objections. list the matter after 2 weeks. Office objections be complied with in the meantime. Yes, next.
19.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date.
My lord,
Lord, in this, the
may I
statement of
seek a
objections
colleague's
are
help
ready.
to
Party
turn
in
the-
person, na?
Sorry?
Your party in person?
Yes, ma'am.
Lord, statement of objection is ready.
20.
Alla 19 alli. Only a couple
19.
of, Lord, statement of objection is
Captain,
ready.
yes.
Only a couple of documents have to be attached.
What's the problem now?
My lord, it's the second round of litigation.
Lord, can
and
may I
I'll
file
call-
the statement of objection in a day's time? And then your lordship take it up?
It's overdue by 2.5 weeks. That's why I have to, they are delaying and making me suffer, my lord.
Sir, ASG is saying he will do it, he will do it.
Right. May it kindly be posted day after then. If
Allah-
he's
Allah,
serving
Day
next-
after Saturday,
Oh, sorry. Whenever possible, next day
Next
after
week.
that. my lord.
possibility only on the 4th.
Otherwise, alcohol will overrule ethanol, my lord.
We'll see. Yes. We'll see the blend of it. List on 4th.
Obliged, my lord.
20.
Heard so and so ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ASGI so and so. Yes, next.
20.
One more connected matter,
Yeah.
not listed, my lord.
ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸಿನ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸಿ ತಳೆ.
My lord, one more connected matter is not listed, my lord.
ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್
Double eight,
ಕರಗದ
double one
ಇದೇನ್
of-
ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Kindly pass on, my lord. Senior counsel.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್
230.
my lord, this my lord, on 5/3/2025 your lordship is pleased to make an interim order. First sentence say the term of the committee, my lord, expires on 21/3.
ಎಸ್.
Because my lord,
ಕರ್ಗ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್.
Please.
ಓ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ
21/3 you administrator did not take charge?
that is, but your lordship has already in the other cases held that committee term cannot be extended.
It can't be.
Can't be. That is what your lordship judgment is.
Sir?
Karga Mahotsav
ಮಾಡಿ
ಕರ್ಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
4 ಲಿಂದ 14 ತನಕ ಇದೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ.
4th ಇಂದ
14 ತನಕ.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 14/4/25 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ.
ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, my lord, they have suppressed. My lord, your lordship was not aware, my lord, on the date that this petitioners, the committee is represented by the petitioner and Satish, my lord, he is facing a serious inquiry, my lord, for my lord misappropriation of the funds, my lord, 1 crore to the extent of 2020.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕರ್ಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Official committee is constituted, that is what is challenged in the other one. My lord,
Which is that, which is the other petition?
8811.
Could you tag this petition along with so and so?
Permit us.
ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? ರಾಜ್ಯ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿಗೆ. ನೀವ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
I am for the impleading.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇರಿ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರಿ.
ಎಸ್. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
But this order, my lord, was not communicated till my lord's 14th. My lord, the deputy commissioner, my lord, the slow respondent in that writ petition, my lord, receives this order on 14th, by which time, my lord, on 10th March, my lord, he has recommended to the commissioner to constitute the official committee. But for the previous year, 2024 also, official committee was constituted. The regular committee was also in existence. They cooperated with us. But without the, my lord, the help of the state machinery, my lord, the officers.
Instead of you fighting between yourselves, ಕರ್ಗ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ. ನೀವು ಕರ್ಗ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2023ಗೆ 1 crore misappropriate ಆಗಿದೆ. BBMP funds, they have not rendered accounts.
I will direct supervision by the state of the funds that are collected.
That is what, my lord, we have.
I will direct that.
Please, my lord.
Yes.
That is.
ಕರ್ಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, funds should be supervised by the state.
My lord, 8811 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. That is what, my lord, I have expressed. What your lordship.
ನಿಮಗೇನ್ ಕರ್ಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೆ?
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, welcome. But official committee, my lord, headed by the deputy.
Official committee ಅಲ್ಲ. I will direct the state to supervise.
Please, my lord.
Supervise the funds of the committee, funds of the temple ಇದು. Funds of the temple to be intact.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕಮಿಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಅದ್ ಏನಾರ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
ಮಾಡೋಣ.
You initiate whatever you want.
Permit.
We'll pass that out. This court on.
Make one submission, my lord.
Yeah, anyway.
Even on the last year, even according to them, my lord, they have not performed the Karaga.
Whatever, I am not going to disturb this order that would disturb public peace.
Please.
I will, because both of you are warring now, I only pass an order saying that the funds of the temple will be supervised by the state and kept intact. Nobody will be
For
allowed.
which purpose the committee is
ಅದು
wants to
which
get-
purpose ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ 8811
ಅದೇ that is not before me now. ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
Huh?
ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ.
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. Yes, let's tomorrow along with WP number
8811 of 25.
8811 of 2025.
230 ತಗೋಬೋದಾ?
ನಾಳೆ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ we are going at ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆದಾಯ್ತು.
ನಾಳೆ tomorrow. Yes.
230 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ನಾಳೆ.
ಹ?
ನಾಳೆ because ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ parties?
ಅದು ಸೇಮ್
ನೀವೇನಾ?
ಅವರೇ.
Then get that file madam. Pass over. Yes.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
230
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ಸರ್
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it should be listed. We'll try to get it listed.
ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಅದೊಂದು
ಬೇಕಾರೆ
ತರಿಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅನ್ಸಿ. ಎಸ್
ತರಿಸಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ತರಿಸಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಂಗಮೇಶ್
I will comply it. But it's
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿರೋದು. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಲ್ಸೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಏನು
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I'll just
Less
verify that much.
a week's time is granted to comply with the office objections. In the event it would stand uncomplied, the interim order would stand automatically vacated by the next week.
Verify that. I'll do
Yes,
it today.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, next. Subject to the aforesaid interim order stands extended.
Very well.
This is a Mangalore Sahakari Bank, my lords. I'm not there in the panel. Let them.
ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
I try to ascertain, my lords. There's no advocate. They will appoint their advocate from Mangalore.
Will issue a notice.
Yes.
Court notice.
But there is an office objection in this matter, your lords.
Issue notice to the respondent bank. Office objections are not complied.
Lords, office
In the
objection is
event
regarding-
they stand uncomplied by the next date, the interim order
Calendar is
would get automatically vacated. List the matter on 16th. Yes.
serial number 51 was connected, your lords.
Wait, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ? Yes.
Parole, your lordship.
23.
Non-serving copy to ASG. ASG ಯಾಕೆ?
Union of India has been party ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Your lordship, there are 4 cases pending against him.
Ah.
4 cases pending against him.
Against whom?
Against
The petitioner's son, brother,
petitioner.
my lords.
Son?
Brother,
Alla,
brother.
petitioner.
Petitioner's brother.
Brother.
23 years he is in prison, my lords.
No, your lordship.
ಏನು offense ಏನು?
302.
Arms Act to 302 sharpshooter. Mocha cases are pending.
Kota, Coca,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
UAPA,
No UAP.
National Security Act, Official Secrets Act, 376, 377.
ಯಾರು?
ಏನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು?
Only Coca.
So parole was
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
granted.
Where is the prison certificate ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
At page number 43, my lords. Annexure G.
43.
45. Page number 45, my lords. Nominal roll is there.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ prison certificate?
Nominal roll, my lords.
Prison certificate ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿರಾಜುದ್ದೀನ್?
That is the prison certificate
Where?
issued, my lords.
ಇದಾ? With further extension 30 days. This is the prison certificate?
At Annexure G, page number 45, my lords.
Page number 45.
Next page, my lords.
302 Arms Act, 353, this so and so, original sentence, imprisonment for life.
22 years, 3 months, 15 days
The
without.
body warrant also, there are 4
Hey,
cases
may-
pending.
One
On the
submission.
last, just 1 month back, he was given parole.
Yes.
So he's seeking again
45.
general parole.
Given parole?
90 days
days
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಯಾವಾಗ
sir.
ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ?
My lords, in the September, in the month of September, my
Your
lords.
lordship, 2/8/2024 to 4/9/24. And then once again on 7/1/2025 to, sorry, your lordship.
In page 34, annexure D, 5th December 2024, his lordship is also granted, my lord.
45 days, he was granted, my lords.
ಹಾ.
Again is
Just-
seeking.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಈಗ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು? 45 days from 5th December.
5th December.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ February.
Yes, my lords.
ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ 6 months, wait.
My lords, but because after his 23 years schooling
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
will not come in the way.
We'll
my
see,
lords.
yes.
My lords, 23 years, 23 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ.
ಈಗ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ವಾಪಸ್? ಏನ್ ಪೆರೋಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
My lords, 23 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, my lords. 23 years. He was
ಯಾಕೆ
entitled
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
to-
ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆಗೆ?
My lords, still his surgery
Surgery?
Last time hernia surgery has undergone.
Well, say get a
Now, my
report.
Lord, the other part is that, if your
40
lordship may kindly turn to 46 page, that apart in Bangalore and in Karnataka, there are other criminal cases pending in Mumbai also, my lord.
That
Therefore,
cases are by three in,
it will have a far-reaching
Karnataka.
effect, my lord.
Four cases are pending, your lordship.
4 cases are pending, 1 in Mumbai here, 3 in Karnataka, my lord. And
Saku, parole go bandidiralla, wait.
that's
Yes.
hardly 45
Less
days.
the matter
My lord, that
after
45
2
days,
weeks,
my lord.
yes.
My lord,
Take chance in the vacation, yes. Next.
That's one 15 days, my lord. So 20, 23
No, no,
ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಹಬ್ಬನೇ
nothing,
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
nothing, parole.
And
Yes.
medical
ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Yes.
24.
My lords, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. I undertake to file Wakalat on behalf of respondent number 5 association. This writ petition become infructuous for this reason, my lord. Calendar of events is already issued on 20th March 2025.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. No, my lord. Here, the third respondent has conducted an inquiry under section 25 of the Act, my lords. And irregularities were found and it has been observed.
Fresh matter, office objections. Yes, calendar of your election.
13/4/2025. 13/4, now they have intimated that may pass it on this
List the
calendar of
matter
events, my
on,
lord.
list the matter on second in the event office objections would stand
One
complied.
submission, my lords, I would like to draw your lordship's kind attention. On the very same day, they have convened a general body, annual general body meeting.
Second, I will,
As
after
per-
calendar of events, I will not generally interfere. We'll see on
Here,
second.
there are serious allegations.
Well,
Only
let
one
us-
document I would like to
Let us see, let us,
Only
list on second in the fresh matters
Only
list.
one submission, my lords. Only, I would like to draw your lordship's kind attention to the said document. Here, this managing committee have constituted a trust, my lords.
No, I'm not hearing at this stage at all, sir.
No,
And this is not for the first time coming, I guess.
No,
Date
no,
anta ide.
day before yesterday, it has come in the end of the list, my lords. So today it was ordered to be listed, my lords. Otherwise, I would have complied those objections. In view of some extreme emergency, I could not comply, my lords.
Yes, tell me.
Here, they have created a trust and without dissolution of the society and by.
First is who are you?
We are the members of the society.
Which society?
Fifth respondent society.
All right.
We are the members of the society. We have lodged a complaint before the third respondent. And on that basis, an inquiry was conducted under section 25 of the Societies Act.
What is the outcome of the inquiry?
Outcome of the inquiry was that they have committed irregularities. They have not conducted the annual general body meeting. And
Where is that?
It is at annexure.
Adanna, you have challenged?
Challenge before this honorable court in WP number 3/22/33 of 2024, which this honorable.
Tag this petition along with number kodi.
3/22/33 of 24.
Second, list both the matters on second.
Till then, my lords, there is an interim order in that matter. Kindly see one document, my lords. The trust deed.
Yes.
Without dissolution of the society, they have transferred the property of the society in the name of the trust.
The
Even this is
elections that are slated to be held or the events in terms of the calendar of events shall remain subject to the result of the petition, which would however be subject to the submissions with regard to maintainability of the petition. List the matter on second.
This is a temple.
Tag along with sounds next.
On, my lords. On
Second. Yes.
Obliged.
Yes.
25.
Lordship, parole, prayer is not maintainable because parole was granted from 2/8/2024, sorry, 7/1/2025 to 22/2025, your lordship.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ 27/11/2024 to 24/2/2020.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ?
My last 4 years.
4 years.
4 years, 3 months, my last.
Cooling off. Yes.
6 months period ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
My lordship's.
Cooling off. Ask emergency parole, I will grant. No general parole. Yes. Next, list after 2 weeks. Office objections to be complied.
Chronic spinal cord.
Who?
Is convict, my lordship. That's the reason.
File emergency parole. You've not seen the rules at all, is it?
Yes, my lordship. See, my lordship. Because.
Cooling off ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಜನರಲ್ parole ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ? Have you seen?
Yes, 90.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
90 days.
90 days. 6 months. 180 days.
My lordships, because I find.
Emergency parole you can take, not reason may be anything. You can't violate the law and then take parole.
Your lordship, the medical records which they've produced is of year 2024. He has undergone treatment and come back.
We'll see. Emergency parole ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Doctor has insisted him to undergo take for surgical.
The necessary documents ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ emergency ಕೇಳಿ.
Emergency, madam, This
my
pet,
lordship.
you withdraw this petition and file
my
emer,
lordship. But,
learned counsel
just
for
my
the,
submission, my lordship, is,
adral
document-
madi.
Yes, my
Yes.
Yes, my
Learned counsel for the petitioner after arguing the matter for some time would seek leave of this court to withdraw the petition and file a fresh petition seeking emergency parole. Yes. Submission is placed on record. Liberty so sought is granted. Yes, next.
26. My lords. My
In
lords,
caste certificate.
please, I've applied for issuance of the validity certificate, my lords. As per section
Office
4C.
objections in. As per?
4C of the act, my lords.
Again, urgency idea.
The urgency is this, my lords. What I've challenged is impugned is Annexure A, which is issued by the DCVC to DCRE, seeking report into the, my lords, inquiry into the caste certificate. My contention is only this. As per Rule 7, the procedure contemplated is that the DCVC first should ask for a report from the Social Welfare Department. Once the report is received, the parties have to be given notice and heard on it. And if that initial inquiry has to
What
be
is the
done.
impugned order?
Impugned is that initial inquiry
Alla,
is
ಈಗ,
skipped, my lords.
employment
Order
and
ಅಲ್ಲ.
employment and problem ಇದೆಯಾ?
Employmental ilda, but if at all, my lords, this is allowed to be continued, then
No,
it
we
will
will
only
not allow it.
perpetuate the
We'll-
error in the procedure.
We'll take it on error in the procedure. We'll take it on third.
I'm
Learned-
seeking interim order.
Interim order
At the stay of this, my lords, because DCRA is investigating into this matter.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. List the matter on third because it is in this stage. List the matter on third. Counsel Shri Gautam Dev Ullal is directed to accept notice for the respondent. Third in the fresh matters. We'll grant it on that day.
Please.
Yes.
Grateful.
Third on the fresh matters list. Office objections to be complied with in the meantime. Next.
Counsel for petition, my lord. Only caveat or copy I have not, sir. I will respond.
ಏನು ಆಫೀಸ್ objections ಏನು ಅದೇನಾ?
Caveat copies.
Counsel submits office objections have been complied with. ಏನು ಸೇಲ?
So we say a position notice, 52
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
lakhs pending, 52 lakhs as on
Yes, respondent.
12/9/24.
Today we'll give a copy, sir. I will take instruction from bank.
But position ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. Yes.
Kindly have it on 1st April.
List the matter on first in the fresh matters list. The respondent shall not precipitate the matter till the next date of hearing. Office objections to be complied with in the meantime. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Complied.
Office complied. Next.
28.
Office objections ಏನು?
The position notice has been challenged. my
Office objections ಏನು?
Objections, it's only minor.
ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. There are 7 office objections. List the matter on second. In the event office objections would stand complied. Sale of possession.
It's a position
Yes.
because we, up to the October, we have paid it.
There are 7 office objections.
That's minor,
Petitions
your
are being
lordship, I'll
filed
comply.
straight away without complying with the office
I'll
objections.
comply there.
Complies, yes.
I'll-
List on 7th, sorry, list on second in the fresh matters list. Office objections to be complied with in the meantime. The respondent shall not precipitate the matter till the next date. In the event office objections would not be complied by the next date, the protective order would stand automatically vacated. Next.
Your lordship, fourth minute.
Lord, I beg to appear on behalf of.
Secondly, no, I'll not be in the station. Sorry.
Then no interim order, second matra haki. Yes. Next.
Sorry.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Next.
Sorry,
Yes.
second.
Lord, I appear on behalf of the successful bidder.
Your lordship, my respect, I'm very sorry. Second week, your lordship, there was a marriage because of that. I
All right, fourth. Yes. ಇದು ನೆನ್ನೆದು.
Filing objections, my
Somebody
lords.
newly joining the frame. Lord,
I am
success.
appearing on behalf of the successful bidder, Lord.
Who?
I
Sale
may
is
be
over.
permitted-
Sale is
Sale
over,
is
my
over.
lord. Sale
Ah.
My
confirmation
lords
also issued,
particularly
my lord.
said.
25% have
That
been
this is
paid.
nothing but my lord contempt. My lords particularly said.
Yesterday,
How could they have issued a sale certificate
Why?
my lord, when the matter is
Sale
sealed up? your
certificate
lord?
is not issued, my lord.
confirmation of sale ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Yes.
Once money 25% is received, you have to
ಆಯ್ತು,
give the
objections you file rejoinder. Yes, list the matter
Lord, I may
on,
be permitted to impute
file,
myself.
sir.
Yes.
List the matter on third. Then till the third, don't do anything. List the matter on third. The respondent shall not precipitate the matter till the third.
So grateful.
Next.
5 minutes.
Third in the fresh matters list.
So great.
Angad, should your name be shown?
Yes, my lord.
Implementing application ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು.
ಹಾಕಿ. Yes.
I may be permitted to file, my lord.
File, sir, no problem, yes.
So grateful.
Yes.
Obligement. 30.
Week's time, I'll comply with the office objections.
Week's time is granted to comply with the office objections. In the event the stand complied, list the matter on 7th in the fresh matters list. Next.
31.
My office objection is, my lord, certified copy of annexure G to be filed, my lord. And I have filed a dispensation, IA, my lord. And another objection, my lord, annexure F to be stated in petition. I have stated in para number 4, my lord. However,
Office objections accepting the submission of the council stands overruled. List the matter, urgency, yeah.
my lord. But in this case, my lord, the respondent number 2, my lord, claiming that he is the office bearers of the society, my lord. Now the.
Tomorrow in the fresh matters list. Next.
32.
Petitioners, my lords.
No, office objections.
Annexure A, B and D, my lords. A, B one legible copy, D one to certified copy. Option is today, my lords. The lane either respondent 3, 2 and 3 have availed a loan, my lords. Petitioner.
Yesterday due.
4,80,000.
4 lakh?
80,000. But
List
petitioner.
the matter on 8th April. 1 minute. List the matter on 8th April. Petitioner to serve set of papers upon Vignesh Shetty counsel appearing for the respondent. That shall be an interim order of stay till the next date of hearing, subject to the compliance with the office objections. In the event by the next date, the office objections are not complied, the interim order would get automatically vacated. Yes, next.
33.
For the petitioner, madam. Petitioners are borrowers. There is no overdue as.
Or what is office objection?
Office
Stage
objection.
notebook ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
Floods.
Para numbers to be stated, legible copy of annexure A.
Comply that.
What will comply? When is the sale of possession now?
Sale, my lord. Sale on 29th.
The
There is
sale on?
absolutely no 29th.
Comply in the course of the day.
Please.
The petitioner seeks leave of the court to comply with the office objections in the course of the day. File kodi madam.
Like no precipitative action.
Why sir? Tomorrow sir. List tomorrow in the fresh matters list in the event the office objections are complied. Give the file madam. Yes.
34.
A certain subsequent event which I sought for an amendment.
My lord,
Amendment. Any objection?
It does not survey for consideration, my lord.
Why?
My lord, the previous year, my lord, it is the permission granted by the Tahsildar to the sixth respondent to carry karga.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Finding is
ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರನಾ?
ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ finding ಎಲ್ಲ against me ನಾನು. That
ಒಂದು
will come
ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ
in the way in
we
December.
will expunge all that. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂತ infructuous ಆಗಿ all those findings will go.
Findings, my lords, repeatedly, my lords, that is a subject matter of list in the writ petition.
I want to keep it pending, we'll keep it pending, no problem. Yes. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent Nandish Gaud submits that the petition is rendered infructuous as the period for which.
Petition
application.
Which application?
Amendment.
The amendment application would not survive for consideration as the period for which the Tahsildar had granted permission for performance of karga is over. Will dispose the application then. Other ಏನಾದ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Finding ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
So the submission is placed on record. Learned counsel B.S. Sachin seeks a week's time to secure instructions and make submissions as the finding in the order granting is completely against the petitioners. List the matter after 3 weeks. Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಕರ್ಗ ಇದೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಕರ್ಗ ಇದೆ.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ cause of action.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿ.
No, my lord, for which my lord,
I'm
my lord
sorry.
already granted.
My lords, I have not enlightened my lords properly. I'm sorry. My lords, kindly see my prayer in the writ petition. Except the petitioner family members, no other persons are entitled for to carry on the karga. That is my prayer.
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
My lord, no. No, what had happened was a third party, my lords, makes an application.
ಈಗ ಏನು interim order ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Each year, my lords, the concerned party has to make an application before the Tahsildar for granting permission to carry karga in the temple.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
My lord,
One minute. How do you permit this performance of karga? ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು rule? Nothing is. Wait, sir.
The court has already declared in my favor.
Where
saying
is the
that I
order?
am a hereditary archaka.
Where is the order?
Yes, yes. My lords, kindly see the
And who are
RA
you?
judgment.
Who are you?
My lord, I am the, my lord, the every year, my lord, it is the.
I am
my lord,
the every year.
I am the secretary of the vernacular community, my lord. And every year, my lord, the representation has been given by the concerned authorities.
ಈಗ
to the
who is performing Karka
Myself,
till now?
myself.
Our government.
Yes. 28, my lord, the date has
ಯಾರು
been given.
ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್.
My lord, may I make one submission?
You won't divide the matters amongst yourselves. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ? ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
This become infractions ಅಂತ.
Infractions ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೋ.
My lord, he sought for, my lord, the hereditary rights. For which,
That
my
he
lord,
has
he
to
has.
apply for.
No. May I make one submission? He sought for the hereditary rights. For which, my lord, he has already filed a civil suit for the relief of declaration. And he withdrew the suit. Two suits has been filed and the same has been withdrawn. He relies upon the
Yes, sir.
1990.
Again, where is the order?
My lord, page number 17 is the.
23/11/2019 order challenge ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Correct. ಅದೊಂದು.
5/4/2022.
B prayer, my lords.
What is that?
Issue a writ of prohibition.
Prohibiting fourth respondent to carry karga.
Permitting to carry karga in.
ಈಗ previous year ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
My lords, previous year, my lords.
Previous year ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
Previous year, my lord, this respondent is carrying, this court has already held that, my lords.
Previous year ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
Previous year, the karga was carried by the respondent number 4, respondent number 6. That is the order under challenge.
Year before the last?
Respondent number 6.
When did you do it?
My lords, earlier round of litigation.
When did you do it?
After 2008, my lords, I have not been permitted.
Yes. Anything else, sir?
No, my lords, I'm
Anything
sorry,
else?
I have not enlightened my lords.
No problems.
All observations are in my favor. I just take my lords to one by one.
Which observations?
Yes. My lords, kindly see the writ appeal judgment. That is page 148. Same Sangha, my lords, that is respondent number 6, page 153.
Yes.
Page 148 is a writ appeal order. Page 153, my lords, got it, my lords? It is also contended that Vernacular Seva Sangha represented by its secretary Chandrapa, that is respondent number 6. Kindly mark this, my lords. 153.
What is the order of the Tahsildar dated 3/4/2012?
Tahsildar has permitted
Modified
respondent
the
number
said order
6.
shall not be a precedent for the ensuing year and if appellants not held to checks.
Yes. Respondent number 6, Tahsildar has permitted respondent number 6 to.
ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Page 155 order ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
My
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
lords, 153.
What happened to this
My lords,
SLP?
thereafter,
SLP ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
SLP, the opponent, the same respondent number 6 has gone in SLP. That has been dismissed. Kindly see page 156.
Dismissed. Tahsildar will take a final decision
Yes.
after giving both the. What is the Tahsildar's decision?
My lords, thereafter.
What is the Tahsildar's decision?
Again, my lords, on rotation basis ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರು Tahsildar.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 156.
ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು? What happened in that?
He also held in my favor.
That is on.
That is, I draw my lord's attention to page 167.
The aforesaid order is also pertinent, so non-litigation. The import order does not contain it. It was sent back.
Sent back. Thereafter, my lords, thereafter COVID came.
No. 9/4/2019 by way of ad hoc arrangement directed hereditary archak. Who performed?
My lords,
Hereditary archak
hereditary archak ನಾವೇ.
Perform ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಯಾರು ಸರ್ ಆ ವರ್ಷ ಕರ್ಗನ? 2019 ಕರ್ಗ perform ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಯಾರು?
My lords, us.
2008 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
I'm sorry.
Come to page 168.
Yes.
Come to page 168, sir.
168, yes.
168 ಅಲ್ಲಿ the coordinate bench directed.
Yes.
Preparation of Karga festival has to commence from 9/4. By way of ad hoc arrangement, it is directed hereditary archak shall perform Karga Mahotsav for the year 2019.
Yes. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಪುನಃ this order is passed. Impugned order, annexure A.
Annexure?
A.
ಈಗ this order is stayed.
My lords, by the time Karga ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಯಾವುದು annexure A is
27, page number 27.
Annexure A. Page number?
Page
19, sir. 19. Annexure A.
Operative portion, my lord, in page number 27.
Page 27
hereditary archak shall perform Karga Mahotsav for the year 2019. ಆಮೇಲೆ 20 ಲ್ ಕರ್ಗ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. 21 ಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. 22 ಲ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಪುನಃ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರು?
ಇವರಿಗೆ ಚಂದ್ರಪ್ಪನವರು.
6.
Yes, sir. Let him perform this year.
My lord,
We'll pass an order now. Yes. The petitioner,
may make one submission.
Yes,
my lord. Nowhere it is declared that, my lord, the petitioners are.
writ
the
appeal and
head
writ petition, sir.
For a moment, my
Yes,
lord,
sir.
kindly turn into, my lord, the objections filed by me.
Yes.
He already filed a suit for the relief of declaration.
That's all right.
Declare
We'll
that, my lord,
we'll follow the division bench's orders. Not this suit.
My lord, that suit came to be dismissed as withdrawn. So far as, my lord, the,
Sir, page 155, division bench recognizes his rights and directs accords permission to carry on Karga festival, correct?
my lord,
You challenged it before the SLP. SLP is dismissed,
my
correct?
lord, in the SLP, my lord, the direction has been issued to the Tahsildar. to
Correct.
take the final
Tahsildar,
decision.
without hearing the parties, has passed some order.
Yes, no. After hearing on both the parties, my lord, he has.
What
passed an
happened to
order,
that
sir.
order of the Tahsildar?
That is, my lord, the application sought for amendment now.
So that we'll see. Amendment ಯಾಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೀರಾ?
ಬೇಕು.
ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆದೇಶ ಚಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಈ ಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ವಾದಿ ಚಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ
ಈಗ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಬೇರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕರ್ಗ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ?
ಇನ್ನ
ಯಾರಿಗಾರು
ಇನ್ನ
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ.
ಎರಡು ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ನೀವು ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, I'll give it to a third party.
My lord, in this regard, my lord, previously, my lord, I filed the writ petition before this honorable court. The direction has been issued to the Tahsildar to take the decision, my lord, and the date is given, my lord, fixed by the Tahsildar on 28th of this month. Since,
ಇದು
my lord,
ಅದೇನಾ 28th?
ಅದೇ same
ನಾಳೆ.
yesterday also,
Let's
my
the
lord.
matter on first. Amendment application ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
ರೆಡಿ.
ಯಾವ ಟೆಂಪಲ್? ಆನೆಕಲ್ದ ಇದು?
ಹೌದು, ಆನೇಕಲ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನೆಕಲ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕರ್ಗಾಗೆ.
Yesterday also, my lord, one more writ petition has been filed.
Yes. All right. List on first.
Amendment be allowed, my lord.
Amendment then problem ಇದೆ.
Allow again objection.
For the reasons indicated in the affidavit accompanying the application and being satisfied with the same, as also the fact that no objections, as also the fact of the submission that no objection to the amendment application, the same stands allowed. Petitioner is directed to file an amended petition by the next date of hearing. List the matter on. ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೇನಾ? First. Madam, seek complete instructions and come. Seriously. Yes.
My lord, I may permitted to file amended.
I'll register Lakis.
Great.
Yes, next.
35.
Badminton Association.
My lords, I made an application for impleading.
Impleading application, there are 3 in number, my lord. All
You
of them
filed
we
your
are-
objections?
We'll allow that.
Allow them? Yes. The learned order on IA 2, 3 and 4. No.
IA 1 of
4.
20 IA 1 of 23, 2 of 23 and 4 of 22.
Yes, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ madam.
And my lord, there is-
For the reasons indicated in the affidavit accompanying the application, the impleading applications stand allowed. Mail ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The learned counsel, KBS Manian, has no objection to allow the impleading applications. For the reasons stated, so and so allowed, petitioner to file an amended cost title.
Right. And my lord, there is a consequential amendment in IA 2 of 22.
That also will allow, yes. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. All applications allowed. Yes, post the matter in.
Perjury ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಅದು ಬೇಡ. Sorry. IA 5 of 22 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ allowed. Yes.
IA 1 of 25.
No, which is perjury?
My lords, perjury ಹಾಕಿರೋದು IA 5 of 2022.
IA 5 of 22.
Yes. And IA 1 of 25. Accept that.
IA 1 of 25, except these two, all others. IA 2 of 25 for early hearing withdrawn. Counsel for the petitioner seek to withdraw IA 2 of 25 for early hearing. Mikidella, except those two allowed. The other 2 applications should be heard along with the main interim order idella, along with the main matter. List the matter in preliminary hearing on 16th.
16. Great.
But then all pleadings.
All pleadings would be complete by then. Yes. Objection ಹಾಕೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿ. Pleadings be complete by then. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
36.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, 2 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಜುರಿ ಇದು.
8 crores 10 lakhs is the amount.
You are appearing for the bank?
Yes, for bank's counsel. I appear
Correct,
for the
of course.
counsel.
Yes.
Yes. Not many occasions I appear.
And for the petitioner lordship, already compliance the order lordship.
Complied?
Yes, lord.
ಏನ್ complied, madam? 1 minute.
2 crore 10 lakh amount.
2 crore 10 lakhs pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Pay ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು 7/8/2023. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No lordship. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಆಮೇಲೆ EMI ಅಂತೂ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, 8 crores 10 lakhs.
ಈಗ next 2 crores ಯಾವಾಗ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
I take in seek
Pass
instruction.
over. Yes. Next 2.1 crores ಮತ್ತೆ pay ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
In fact, they go on dealing with the property to give the property
There
to
is a
somebody
school,
else.
We'll see. Yes, yes. No unconditional extension of interim order. Next.
37.
37, the filed statement of objections is where the project itself is cancelled. After allotting lease cum sale deed issued, annexure J, my lords, is questioned.
Again, vacating stage, yeah.
The
What are these
additional
applications?
production of additional document.
IA 3 of 2024 to be heard along with the main matter. IA 1 of 2025 stands dismissed. Then ಇದು?
The rectification of office objections by them. I mean,
ಯಾರು
sorry.
ಹಾಕಿರೋದು objections?
I have filed it, my lords. Karnataka Udyog.
When do you rectify? A week's time is granted to rectify the office objections filed by the fourth respondent. In the event they would not be rectified, objections would not be taken on record. List the matter on 22nd.
Let's see, interim
In
order.
preliminary hearing, interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing.
My lords, name of the council, maybe Kiran B.
Registry to print the name of Sukrita R as appearing for fourth respondent in place of Kiran Roan.
38.
Restoration of water, electricity.
In this case, my lord, the suit property as per for the respondent state. Respondent number 6 and 7. As per annexure F, my lord, the gift deed has been.
IA 2 of 2024.
What has happened is there is a second report filed by the Bescom authorities now. And the same is placed on record on 5/2/2025. Kindly see the.
Where is the inspection report?
There is 5/2/25.
Inspection report 5/4/2024.
That my lord was actually an erroneous report. That same person, assistant executive engineer, I believe he has been placed under suspension because of the fact that vigilance department found malpractices on account of the very same assistant.
Who has filed this application?
That application.
IA 2 of 2024 restoration of water.
Filed before we came on record, my lord.
All
Lordship
right.
was pleased to pass an order, my lord, on the matter could be disposed of 23/4/2024. Your lordship was pleased to pass an order. On that, the report on the
Civil
basis
suit
of
would not
that
touch
report-
upon the dispute on question, pendency of the petition, otherwise will not come in the way of civil court proceeding further in the proceeding. There is no intervention before civil court.
So what has happened is there is only one portion of the scheduled property, that is which is in my possession as per the gift deed.
ಈಗೇನ್ interim order ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
No, my lord, what has happened is the BAE gave a report to this honorable court based on which lordship recorded the inspection report and said it's a different portion. Petitioner is in a different portion.
See, court on inspection comes to know, the report of inspection comes to know that both the petitioner and respondent are in possession in different portions of the property.
I'm sorry, it's a mischief of the court commissioner report, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, another official report was obtained and placed
By
on
whom? Who
record.
directed?
My lord, we wrote
no
a
problem.
RTA application on which basis the whole inspection was carried out, and my lord, the report is placed. on record.
Everything will be subject to the civil suit, sir.
What has happened, my lord, is because of that finding, my lord, that there is a two different portion. He has filed a suit for injunction based on this report and obtained an injunction and threw me out. Now I am on the streets, I have no place to reside.
You should have moved this matter. Why would you not move?
Lord, I was waiting for the report, my lord. The report was filed on 5/2/25. This is the acknowledgement. I filed it in court, my lord. Kindly verify the report, my lord. That is very
There is
clear.
no representation on behalf of the petitioner heard. The learned senior counsel, Suresh Lokre, appearing for the respondent, respondent number?
6 and 7.
6 and 7. The learned senior counsel had pointed an error in the order dated 23/4/2024. The error appears to be on an erroneous report by the commissioner appointed to inspect and furnish a report. In the event there would be no representation of the petitioner, the learned senior counsel will further submit, taking advantage of the observation in the order dated 23/4/2024, the petitioner has preferred a suit and has now evicted the respondent number 6 and 7. In the event awaiting the appearance of the petitioner, the matter stands adjourned to third. In the event the petitioner would not appear, the petition would be dismissed for its non-prosecution. Yes, next.
39.
Lordship, I am appearing in item 39, Your Lordship, for the petitioner. The parties are in some sort of settlement talks, Your Lordship. If I may just have a short date, Your Lordship.
Respondent number one, my lord.
Huh?
I appear for respondent number one in this case.
Talks of settlement are on.
Please, my lord.
All the parties to the list submit that the talks of settlement between the parties are afoot AFOOT. Therefore, list the matter after 2 weeks. Next.
Lordship, interim order is to continue, Lordship.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
40.
Corporation.
2 days time, Lord, I want to
Proposed
file a reply.
respondent number three.
Rejoinder, my Lord, only 2 days time will be granted.
ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ rejoinder, sir?
Lord, in this
R1
matter-
R1 and 2
ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ objections?
R1 and 2 have filed
ಇದು
objections.
KSRTC ತಾನೆ?
5th September I had given this.
Only 2 days, my Lord. I will not take
13/6/24 is the interim order.
further- My Lord, even if it is taken tomorrow, my Lord, also, my Lord, I will be ready.
My only, on 13/6/24, my lord, there was an interim order. There is already a third party has been put into position. my
By
lord.
then?
In the same stall, my lord.
Now I have.
When?
Stall number 30.
13, same stall.
When
number
did,
13.
when did you put the third party in
Sir,
possession?
On 13/6, earlier to 13/6 itself, the quotation was called for. My lord was pleased to direct us to consider his representation and pass an order. This honorable court passed an order, my lord, according to page 64. This is the, my lord, the specific business, juice stall and all that.
All right.
Pertaining to that. 64 was the order passed by my lord, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, that representation was considered. And my lord, an order came to be passed. That, my lord, on 3/4/24, an order came. My lord, the earlier, that is the petitioner was paying, my lord, 42,000. Now, my lord, the third respondent has claimed, my lord, is now paying 1,75,000.
Match it.
It may be taken up tomorrow, my Lord. I will
You will
be
match
ready.
it tomorrow?
Tomorrow, my Lord, I will be ready.
ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ.
Tomorrow, my Lord, I will make my submission and you will ask me kindly hear the matter, main matter, sir.
ಈಗ pursuant to this, you rejected the representation.
Yes.
When did you reject and call for tender for that?
My lord, earlier to that, it was called. for-
Correct, it was called, I had stayed it, then representation reject, consider ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ರಿಗೆ?
Representation was
ಯಾವತ್ತು?
considered, my lord, on
Sir,
3/4/24.
when did you allot that shop? Date I am asking.
Allot, my lord, on 27/5/24.
27/5?
24.
And the interim order is granted on 13/6/24.
13/6.
Yes, sir.
That was brought to my lord's notice on the day also.
No, this is not my order.
No, yes.
Coordinate bench order, yes. Yes, sir.
But tomorrow, my Lord. I
No,
will-
ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ interim order?
Not just only one day, I need some instructions.
No, but there, it was already given 1 month ago.
True, my Lord, but the impugned order, my Lord, prima facie shows that there is no application of mine.
I will direct them to reconsider it, so we'll vacate this, we'll dispose it right away.
We lost me then, my Lord, you lost me kindly direct.
What, sir? Our third party rights create ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ party ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ?
Party ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. I have implicated them as a
They are
also
proposed
party.
respond number.
Huh?
Now they have filed impleading application.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡು, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, my Lord, as on the date of filing petitions, my Lord, the respondents 1 and 2 did not, my Lord, give the shop to, my Lord, the third respond hearing.
As on the date of filing the petition.
After filing the petition.
Correct, 15th April ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ?
My Lord,
ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಜೂನ್ಗೆ.
I impleted later, my Lord, I impleted the third respond as one of.
As on the date of the interim order, the shop was not vacant. It was allotted to
It
him.
was not given to him, my Lord. It was not given to respond number 3, just
Then-
only for the clarification.
Given
Tomorrow,
to-
my Lord, I will not seek any time, my Lord. So let you will kindly hear the matter tomorrow itself.
List the matter on second. And the same stage. Yes.
41.
For petitioner, ma'am. Press time, my lord, because.
Both
Senior-
IA1, IA2 of 2025 stands
Press
rejected.
time, my lord. I'm for petitioner, ma'am.
I have no objection to allow the petition. Your Lord. Petition may-
No objection, allow the petition.
Allow.
Senior counsel, Hari Subramanian.
I'm for petitioner, ma'am. Press time, a senior held up in another court.
No problem, sir. He is saying allow the
Allow
petition.
the petition. Within time bound, the respondent number 2 authority may dispose of the matter. Your Lord.
Petitioner returning from the Y has approached their counsel. I call him. Seek instructions and compass over. Next.
42. 42.
For respondent 3 in this matter, my lord, we have filed statement of objection and vacating stay application has been filed. I request for first, my lord.
List on third, at
My
the
lord,
request of,
my lord, there is a Karga, my lord, the same Karga matter, first similar matter.
the first matter, yes.
Deeply
The matter
obliged,
may be continued.
Interim order will continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
Second one.
My lord, we have
Huh?
any senior counsel, similar matters coming on first.
All matters, Karga avate.
Karga matters.
Yes.
Idರಲ್ಲಿ,
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ.
but idರಲ್ಲಿ, that is not under question, my lord.
My
The order
lord,
passed by the, my lord, second respondent,
my lord, there is a fraud.
non-member has filed the application,
No.
complaint.
ಅದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರದು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯ.
My lord, on first, my lord.
ಅವತ್ತು ನೋಡು.
We have
First,
engaged
list
senior
on
counsel.
first.
Obliged.
Extension of interim order.
Really, what had happened, my lord, last occasion. You kindly see the order passed by this honorable court on the previous occasion. My lord, some settlement between the, my lord, auction purchaser and bank borrower. That, my lord, I'll make submissions. Before that, my lord, on 24/6/2024, this honorable court passed an interim order.
The auction purchaser.
Challenging the, my lord, sale notice dated, my lord, 16/10/2024. This honorable court granted interim order.
This one without modification. Yes, sir.
This honorable court granted an interim order. And
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಾ?
Let there's some settlement between the, my lord, I'll just make it one thing. My lord, the sale assailed before this honorable court, sale not taken place, the interim order not complied. Therefore, my lord, I gone ahead and I issued a fresh sale notice, and my lord, the present respondent number 2 is the auction purchaser.
No, I have captured everything in
Now, my lord, the respondent petitioner has offered some excess money or, my lord, some solution to the auction purchaser. My lord, recording the same. In fact, last occasion, senior advocate made a submission saying that, my lord, he is ready to pay the money. It is got recorded. On that, my lord, the matter can be disposed of.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು?
ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
Lord,
ready to pay the money, it seems, to the auction purchaser.
I'm ready to pay 50 lakhs today, my lord,
Auction purchase.
to the bank.
Allah, it can directly pay to the auction purchaser. The reason is this. In fact, the money which I received, my lord,
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು, how much have you received?
my lord, I received 3,38 lakh
From the auction purchase?
from the auction purchaser.
Yes, my lord.
There is some agreement between the auction purchaser and the borrower, 3,80 lakh.
If I might just submit, my lord.
You sit and settle and do
ಆಯ್ತು,
it.
settle ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, it may be recorded and
No,
matter.
you file a memo, I will record that later.
ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Memo has to file with the petitioner.
Both of them will file if they want to. Yes. List the matter on third, second. On second, the learned counsel for the parties would submit that the borrower and the auction purchaser have now settled the dispute amongst themselves and would file a joint memo of such settlement on the next date.
Third.
List the matter on third. List
So
the matter
great.
in the same stage.
Great.
Yes.
Petitioner in this case. For the respondent number 1 is, Lord, the application for vacating stay has been filed. But then, my lord, hearing the matter on vacating stay and then the matter on merits.
No, but what is the interim order?
Interim order is, my lord, the respondent number 1.
No reason.
Has approached respondent number 2 in respect of a service matter. My lord, respondent number 1 is working with the petitioner number 1. And my lord, he was issued with an order of transfer from Malleshwaram College to their own college in Rajajinagar. He accepts it, goes there and reports for work. And thereafter, my lord, he approaches the National Commission.
Lordship, there is allegation is, my lord, respondent number 1 filed the complaint before the SCST commission. My lord.
Who?
The respondent number 1.
You are respondent number 1, correct.
He files a complaint, my lord, pursuant to the matter was referred to the Commissioner of Police. On the basis of the complaint, my lord, the FIR was registered against the respondent.
ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
But there is an interim order only against the commission, SCST
My lord,
commission.
I filed this petition on 1/7/24. My lord, on 5/7/24, my lord, this honorable court was pleased to grant me an interim order. My lord, the interim order is, kindly see the interim order.
Interim order ಇಲ್ಲ, stay ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
As prayed for.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Now, my lord, the interim prayer, if your lordship sees.
FIR ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
All further complaints before police authority, state commission, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಯಾರದು interim order?
Therefore, we have not received any communication from the police or from the court regarding registration of FIR or a case till now. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಆ
That's all right,
details mention
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. They have not
That's a
mentioned.
separate cause of actions. That prayer you could not have sought in this at all. And there is no reason granted. It's only as prayed for Ayudash.
Yes. Therefore, my lord, we are not aware of any FIR because we have not received any communication from any authorities so far. And
Yes.
they have also not filed objections to the petition, my lord, bringing out, giving details of what FIR has been filed, no copy has been filed.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರ FIR ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes.
Before passing the interim order, my lord, the FIR was registered against.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ?
But they are.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ?
But the investigation officer, my lord, they has not conducted the
That is,
investigation.
you tell it in the criminal court. This is a pure service matter. How did the commission even entertain the petition? Gross abuse and misuse. How did the commission even entertain the petition? How many orders should we pass?
Till that date, my lord, petitioner had no grievance against either the institution or respondent petitioner.
ಯಾರು
number two.
ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
In fact, his letter, if your lordship sees, just 1 minute, my lord, may I just point out that letter, my lord? Kindly see that letter, my lord. What he talks about, petitioner number 2, and suddenly, my lord, love is lost.
Page.
Yes, my lord. Page 45, my lord.
Working as computer technician, esteemed institutions, would like to thank you
Hey,
for my
Babu.
heart granting me leave
Technician
and
at your
helping me to
esteemed
serve my mother devoid of
Thanks
words.
from my heart. This is about petitioner number 2 and the petitioner number 1. And suddenly, because he goes there and then he says everything is not right from beginning I have been harassed.
Transfer of, what is the order that
No,
drove?
Lord, no order has been passed.
No, what drove him to the commission?
No, my lord, this letter.
Where is the complaint?
He wants, yes, my lord, the
Page.
complaint